What's up, guys? This is the Briggs and Stratton Lawnboy, 6.75 foot-pounds gross torque. Not a bad machine. They've got it modified for my grandparents because they use it. They put a duct tape all on that. I guess the grip was failing, and uses a cord to hold that in, to hold this in to keep the throttle going. But that's just because they're not very strong and they need to do that sort of thing. Let's take a look back here. Some of this action. So you know you can just I don't know what I'm doing. But there's the key for it. So you put the gas in. It's good. It's a very decent lawnmower, especially for the price. I think they got it for $300. I don't know if they bought it on clearance or whatever though. But I like it. I like the color of it even. I think it's good for a lawnmower.